Okay, so what I'm going to show you is how we can make these names here to be wrapped. Okay, so as you can see, we have John Doe, we have Max, we have Joshua, we have Stuart, and so on. So you see, the case we have is the names are exceeding the maximum size of the cells. Okay, so how to make these names wrapped, or how to make text wrapped in Microsoft Excel is what I'm going to show you. So I simply highlight this, and then I go to format cells. When I reach format cells, I go to align and select wrap, or I select what? I select wrap text, because what I want is for these names to fit within the cells. Okay, if the space is exceeded, the next name can go on the next line within the same cell. So that's what I want to try. And when I do that, the effect is is showed right here. Yeah, so that's what I wanted to show you for wrapping text in Microsoft Excel.